What does it mean to shoot the breeze? تەقەکردن لەبا واتای چییە? This is a very common American idiom. مە دەستەواژێکی ئەمریکی کە زۆر باوە. But like so many idioms, its meaning is so different than what you expect. So let's learn about what it really means. Ba dest pê bikەین, let's get started. To shoot the breeze is not talking about guns, and it's also not talking about wind. دەستەواژەیە باسی دەمانچە یان با ناکات. Instead, to shoot the breeze means to have casual conversations. واتای گفتوگۆکردنی نارەسمی و ئاسایی. Sometimes you have a plan for something you need to talk about, or there is something very serious or formal to talk about. These kinds of conversations are serious conversations, and they do not count as shooting the breeze. Shooting the breeze بەکارناهێنین بۆ گفتوگۆیەکی جدی یان ڕسمی. Instead, imagine yourself walking down to the چایخانەی شعاب in Slimani or the چایخانەی شۆرۆش in Hawler. You see your friend there and you sit down and drink chai with him for an hour. There is no plan for your conversation. You are both relaxed and you talk about anything that you want to. Maybe football, maybe politics, maybe family plans. Then your father calls and wants to know what you are doing. In this situation, you can tell your father, "Bale balkum, I'm at the chaykhana with Kak Flan. We are just shooting the breeze." Tanha taqa laba akain. This phrase comes from the 1800s, when the word breeze was used as slang, Inglisi bazari, to talk about gossip, zamkardin, or empty conversation. But now we just use shooting the breeze for easy, casual conversation with others. So don't be confused. Even though Americans really like guns, and many Americans like to shoot guns whenever they can, this idiom is not really talking about guns, it's talking about conversation. Effendim, have you ever heard this phrase before in movies or online? Well, now you know its meaning and how to use it. So don't forget to like and subscribe if this was helpful for you. Like و subscribe تان لبیر ناچێت. ئەگەر ئەم ڤیدیۆە بەدڵتان بوو بێت زۆر سپاس دەکەم ئەفێندن. Until tomorrow, هەتا سبەینێ، خواحافیز.